Alright, so today we're going to talk about dynamic rollover. So dynamic rollover is a condition of powered flight where the helicopter tends to roll over onto its side. So in order for us to get dynamic rollover in our helicopter, we have to have three things. You have to have a pivot point, thrust or rolling moment, and thrust greater than weight. So we got a nice little picture down here. Here's our little helicopter. As we're getting ready to take off, we have a nice little log that's stuck right there. So it's blocking our skid, which creates a pivot point for our skid to pivot around. Right here we have a rolling motion. So in the R22, our rolling motion has to be 15 degrees or greater for the helicopter to roll over. So our helicopter starts rolling over that log. We have a rolling motion because we have thrust greater than weight, so our helicopter is beginning to lift up, but our skid's getting stuck on that log, so it's going to create that rolling moment toward the right. And once we get past that critical moment or critical degree angle of 15 degrees, our helicopter is going to turn to its side and create this towering inferno of disaster.
Nobody wants to turn into a towering inferno of disaster.
No, they don't. So, some of the things that will aggravate this to create this to happen even more is solo flight. So when you have one person on one side of the helicopter, it's going to want to lean more to that side. A crosswind, tail rotor thrust, low hover practice, and slope landings are some of the things that are going to aggravate this to make it happen even faster or more likely for it to happen. So to recover from this, we want to eliminate one of these three things. So the easiest thing for us to eliminate is thrust by lowering the collective. So you get in this condition, you're going to lower that collective, and it's going to fix it. If you haven't already got past this 15 degrees, then it'll fix it. If you already get past this 15 degrees, there's nothing you can do as a pilot to correct for it, and you're going to end up like this.